Hey, how's it going, YouTube? Welcome back to the Taylor Fam HI channel here. Today's Wednesday, October 21st, and again I had my $200 weekly deposit, and I'll be purchasing a stock. And here on the screen I have Next Era Energy, and um, I believe here, regardless of who wins the presidency, Next Era Energy will be an excellent company to hold for 10 to 20 years. They are a infrastructure company that does solar power, windmills. They they once came to Hawaii to try to buy or partner up with Hawaiian Electric out here. Um, so their price to earning is a little higher than what I usually go for. I like to stay under 30% price to earnings ratio, and their dividend is quite low, but that's okay. They're a growth company. Um, Another thing, if you guys don't have gold, it's $5 a month. I'm pretty sure it's worth it. You can click read the full report here. Huh, that's the first. Well, I'm just using Robinhood as an example. I like E-Trade. I don't. I do options on Robinhood, and if you guys would like to like the video, subscribe and leave a comment below, and we can go from there. So I'll just bring it over on E-Trade. Type in the ticker symbol is NEE. They have a stock split coming up. I believe October. The deadline was on the 19th, and anywhere in the next week or two, they should pay out a 3-to-1 um split. So here, next era energy on E-Trade. I like to go to analyst research and look at this here. Um, this is one of the stocks that I I this is against what I do, but because of the way the road's going, and for me personally, about clean energy and renewable energy, I believe this is something that is gonna capitalize on everything. They're like a these guys are buying up every company as possible. So obviously here there's a lot of downside to the stock, but there is also a split that would create more market cap. Um, from there. Insider, I like to look at Insider to see what the CEOs, or here it tells you what who they are and what they are, and what are they doing. So there's been a lot of sales. I guess just because their stock's been going up so high, there's been a lot of sales here. Fundamentals, again, there's some quick ratios here. Shareholder equity, um, balance sheet is always important. But when a company is growing, they really don't have a positive balance sheet, right? Because they're spending more money investing than they are taking on profit, which is okay. Nothing's wrong with investing money, taking a loss until you stop. Like AT&T, for example, they're a cash cow. So um, here it is. So last week, I purchased only $100 worth of stock, and so I could have $300 to buy this week. And I'll get into it more. Let's click on buy and let's purchase one share, which will turn into 4 shares in the next week or two. So one share price type market, good for the day. 299 estimate, review preview order, place order. Your order has been placed. So now let's take a minute and look at the portfolio and how has it been doing over the past 5 weeks. So this is the portfolio. If you guys have been following me or seen my videos, or um, total gain is up $10. Today's gain is down $3.36, which is okay. The stock market's going through. Um, Everybody wants a stimulus. Stimulus might be good. Stimulus might be bad. Um, let's just stay focused here and look at this portfolio. I want to start showing you guys estimated income that E-Trade provides you for your portfolio. Excellent tool, and you could see where your portfolio is heading. So estimated income. So here now, I almost have a dividend every month. My target when I purchase a stock, to me, it doesn't matter what month the dividend is I want to own the stock for 10 years, 20 years, or if I earn enough money in this account to purchase a house to rent it out. So we have announced and estimated dividends, and you have estimated in light purple and announced in dark purple. So estimated income for 1 year is $13.24, and this is additional from gains and losses. Um, so for purchasing this stock and just holding on to it, these companies are willing, or they will pay you for just holding the stock. I mean, you can't really go wrong with that with long-term and dividend investing. Um, CVS pays. I have 4 shares. They pay 50 cents. Estimated income is $2 on 11/2. Payable date is 11/2. Next Air Energy, next payable is I have 1 share at 35 cents, which is a little lower um, than I would like, but that's okay. I believe in a growth in Coventum. Um, if I click on portfolio, you can edit this chart here to help. So the next time when one of these dividend dates get closer to the purchase, then I usually buy into it to have a greater return on the dividend. Um, if I'll make another YouTube video on how to better use E-Trade. E-Trade has so many tools. It's amazing. And that's about it for today. I have to head out to work, and you guys have a awesome day. Please like and subscribe the video. Please leave a comment if there's any stock you'd like me to purchase in the future. Again, this is I created you this E-Trade account, and I named it YouTube Long Term. So here it's probably a down day right now, or I'm just having a bad day on my portfolio personally. But this is 5 weeks in. We're always gonna have our up and downs. You cannot flinch to the market. You just need to hold long term. Again, I'm down $5, and total gain over 5 weeks is $6. And Uber is the only one that I purchased that's up so far. Um, well, let's see what's going on with the market today. Oh, it's about to turn negative. It was up a whole bunch earlier today. Well, thank you guys. Have a nice day. Please like the video, subscribe, and leave comments.